Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all having a good weekend, man. I'm having a good weekend. You know what I'm saying? I get to chill. It's been a real low key weekend. Didn't have that many runs to make. Anyway, I'm gonna stop babbling. Shout out to all the viewers, all the subscribers, each and every one of y'all. Y'all are real MVP. Shout out to y'all. Before we get into tonight's video, excuse me, I do not advocate running from the police. It's not something I think it's reckless, it's dangerous for the parties involved, and it's dangerous to pedestrians. So I always say in all my videos, do not run from the police. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this reaction. This guy is running from the police in the rain. Yes, on a motorcycle in the rain. So let's go ahead and hop right into this. He's on a motorcycle in the rain. And before we start the video, I want to say shout out to Police Pursuits. And by the end of this video, you'll understand when I say this determination. There's no sound until he turns the lights on. There it is. Y'all can see it's raining. He's using his wiper. He's doing this in the rain. He's on his bike, fleeing from the police in the rain. Man, you either get skills. Skills is another word. There's another word we're gonna put for that. Skills. Look at this, man. He's in the rain. Doing 120 in the rain. All right, he slowed it down a little bit. Yo, dude is a seasonal. He's been riding motorcycles seasonally. Like this is a veteran. This is a guy's been riding motorcycles for a while. This is not just his first bike. This guy's been riding motorcycles for years. Because I mean, the ride doing 100 and something plus in the rain. Yeah, he's been riding for years. This guy knows what he's doing. He ain't playing around. He ain't missing a beat at all, even in the rain. He's not missing a beat. A 130 miles an hour, man. He's on a motorcycle. If he wanted to, on those Suzukis, he could get away. But it's raining, so he can't really just fully go in on it. He can't go full throttle on it. He ain't slipping and sliding either. He's on the highway. He's on the highway at night in the rain. 100 and something plus. Yo, this guy's a soldier, man. Strictly, he's a soldier. Oh yeah, he got on. He swayed off on the shoulder, and that car swayed at the same time. He swayed off on that shoulder. That car swayed at the same time to try to avoid him. Man, it was in the rain, and he got on the shoulder, and we all know getting on the shoulder. You get on the shoulder on the highway, hey, it gets kind of slick because it'd be like rocks, pebbles, and then sometimes they be having them speed things. But yeah, and then on the rain, and you on a motorcycle at 107 plus. All right, it's the bike.
You see where he went?
Yeah, he went up there. Right up there.
Oh, he's on foot. I bought the diesel if he's on foot. He's going to work. Yeah, he was running from me. Bro, did he hit you guys?
What a fucking idiot, bro.
Did he make contact with you guys?
Yeah, where are we going?
Okay.
I saw him run up there.
See that? He got away. He was out of there. That's determination. He laid that bike down. Now, mind you, it was in the grass, and it was wet grass. So when he laid the bike down, it was soft, and he was able to pop up, and he took off. He ditched that helmet. He ran through them woods. He probably popped out somewhere else, or he could have darted through the woods a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Move back and forth, shuck and jive on the cops right quick. They didn't locate him, so he fully got away. He didn't get away on his bike, but no, he didn't get injured either, because that could have ended really bad. So, he got away. He did his thing. Arkansas State Police did what they could, but I don't think there was really much they could do in that situation because you can't pit maneuver a motorcycle. So you pretty much have to get in front of it and slow it all the way down. Or you can kind of get it to sway off the road, but you can't just go up and tap the back tire of a motorcycle. It's not like a car. So, like always, like, comment, subscribe. They right down there. Go ahead. It's free. Y'all see it? I threw the banner up for y'all. It's free. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep rocking with me. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Y'all rock with me. I rock with y'all. We rock together. Like always. It's your boy Jay signing out. Until the next one. Y'all take care. Peace.